The Satanic Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2024 Panini Prizm Baseball Mega 4-box eBay break. January 24th, 2025. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Dr. Gonzo, PhD 661 with the Rangers. We got B-25 Bob with the Tigers, Astros, Rays, Giants, Angels, and Mets. KEVO SCARDS MC. Kevo's Cards MC. Hopefully I said that right. With the Guardians and your Pirates. JR_M35 with the Dodgers. Kevin, MELCHISEDECH with the Twins and Blue Jays. MJV04TJ with the Nationals. We got FARMGRL_USA with the Yankees. GINZA1664 with the Orioles, Reds, Red Sox. Brewers, Mariners, Athletics, and Padres. Steve, INTN with the Cardinals. JOSRHO-7947 with the Braves and Marlins. Fritz Fines with the Royals. And we got Too Tall Tom 926 with the Diamondbacks. That is our full line up. Okay. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 boxes here. 2024 Panini Prizm Baseball Mega. Box number 1 coming at you guys. Let's get the plastic off our box here. Six packs per box. Let's get the packs here out of box number 1 here. Empty box there. We do run through the base cards at a fairly steady pace. Of course, we'll be stopping on all the hits. If there's any cards you want us to go back on, please holler in the chat. We'll be happy to do so. Here we go. Pack number 1, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. There's a Fireworks. Manzardo. A rookie Fireworks there for the Guardians. Lou Gehrig there. That Gehrig there, that's definitely a refractor there, silver. There's a pink ice. Owen Casey. Those are sharp cards. Those pink ice are really sharp. And a pink ice Pete Rose, too. Really sharp looking cards there. Those pink ice are very sharp looking. Pack number 2 here. Prismatic, Ryan Clifford, Prismatic there. And Max Muncy there. Nice Max Muncy there. Silver there, that refractor there for your A's. Pink ice, Andrew Painter for the Phillies. And a pink ice, Celestin for the Mariners there as well. Caminero rookie there for the Rays too. Nice Caminero rookie. Pack number 3 here. Frank Thomas there. Nice Frank Thomas for the White Sox there. How about a hype? Drew Jones. Nice hype there. Nice hype, Drew Jones there. And that is numbered out of 399. 214. 214 out of 399. Real nice Drew Jones there. That's a sharp looking card there. Pink ice, Omar Vizquel there. David Freese. Pink ice as well. And we have an auto. Jared Schuster. Sensational Signatures auto. Very nice Jared Schuster there. Nice Schuster. Sensational Signatures auto. Nice hype there, too, on the Drew Jones. That's real nice. Out of 399 there. Real nice Drew Jones there on that hype. It's an orange pulsar too, by the way, there. Sharp card. Really sharp. Very sharp card. Jericho, yes. Yes, you are in the correct place. Yep, the Prizm football break is at 10 p.m. Roughly around 45 minutes. You are in the correct place. Pack number 4 here, guys. Out of box number 1, we got a hype. Brock Wilken there for the Brewers. Hype there. There's a Brock Porter there for the Rangers there. Refractor. Pink Ice. Montez there for the Mariners. Pink Ice Jackson Jobe for the Tigers as well. Pack number 5. Box number 1 here. Chenille, top tier. Chenille. Top tier rookie there. Nice Nolan Chenille there. Top tier rookie there. For your Angels, we got a Chase Dollander there for the Rockies there. Refractor there. Pink Ice, Kendall George. And a Pink Ice, Noah Schultz as well. Pink Ice are so sharp looking. Sharp cards. Last pack here, guys, out of box number 1. Olivia Picardo there. That's a green there. And Richie Ashburn. Nice Richie Ashburn there. That's out of $3.99. 25 out of $3.99. Nice Richie Ashburn there. Another nice orange pulsar there. Nice hit for the Phillies. Colt Keith. Nice Colt Keith there. Pink Ice rookie. Nice Colt Keith there for the Tigers. Pee Wee Reese. Pink Ice there as well. Nice orange pulsar there on the Richie Ashburn. Those orange pulsars are sharp-looking cards there, too. Box number 2. Plastic coming off here. Box number 2. Excellent, Jericho. Yeah, thanks for breaking with us. I appreciate it. Get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 2. Here we go. And we have a Fireworks. Carmelo there for the Mariners. There's a Soderstrom for the A's there. That's a refractor there. Pink Ice Jordan Lawler. Nice Jordan Lawler there. Pink Ice rookie there. Diamondbacks. Nice Lou Brock there. Pink Ice as well for the Cardinals. Pack number 2 here. Luke Little rookie there. Nice Luke Little rookie there. There's a Judge there. Prismatic. Bradfield Jr. Enrique Bradfield Jr. there. Mike Lau there. Refractor there. We got a Don Mattingly. Pink Ice for the Yanks. Nice Don Mattingly. Jose Reyes. Pink Ice there too. Green Bernie Williams. Nice green Bernie Williams there. Nice Bernie Williams green there for the Yanks. Another orange pulsar there on the Alderman for the Marlins out of $3.99. $3.67 out of $3.99. Another nice orange pulsar there. Mark Burley. Pink Ice. Ryan Clifford. Pink Ice as well. Another orange pulsar there. On the Alderman for your Marlins. Pack number 4 here out of box number 2. Got a hype, Drew Jones. Another nice Drew Jones hype there for the Diamondbacks. Pee Wee Reese. Refractor there. Pink Ice, Bucky Dent. And a Carlton Fisk Pink Ice as well. Pack number 5. Top tier Waldrep rookie there. Top tier for the Braves. There's your refractor on the Segisi for the Cardinals. Pink ice. Luis Baez there. Pink ice there for the Astros. Bobby Witt Jr. pink ice. Nice Bobby Witt Jr. pink ice there. Real nice. Bobby Witt Jr. there for the Royals. Ronnie Mauricio rookie. Nick Lofton rookie there as well for the Royals. All right, last pack here, guys, out of box number 2. Austin Wells, rookie. Ryan Lasco there, refractor there for the A's. And we've got a Acuna. Fireworks. Orange Pulsar, too. 130 out of 399. Another sharp-looking card there. We got a pink ice. Lombard Jr. there. Pink ice Reggie Jackson as well. How about that? Back-to-back pink ices there. And we have our auto. Carson Williams for the Rays. Sensational signatures. How about out of 25? 19 out of 25 there. Carson Williams. Jake Bloss rookie there as well for the Astros. Real nice sensational out of 25 sensational signatures there. Carson Williams. Green there. How sharp is that? That is a sharp card there. 19 out of 25. Very sharp. Congrats to the Rays. We had your fireworks. Orange Pulsar, too, there on the Acuna, too. Another sharp card. Another very sharp card there. Box number 3. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 3. There's a Skeens rookie. There's a Skeens. There's a Skeens sighting. Nice Skeens rookie there for your Pirates. Willie McCovey there. Refractor green. Sean Sullivan for the Rockies. Green Prizm there. Green ice. Homer Bush for the Padres. I'm sorry, pink ice. Pink ice. Pink ice Fergie Jenkins there too. Nice Fergie pink ice there as well. Ooh, nice Churio. There's a nice Churio rookie for the Brewers. Nice Churio there. Pete Crow Armstrong. Prismatic rookie there for the Cubbies. Nice Pete Crow Armstrong there. Got an Amador rookie there. Rockies. Refractor there. Pink ice. Everson Pereira rookie. Nice Pereira pink ice rookie there for the Yanks. Nice Pereira. Vladimir Guerrero. Pink ice for the Angels. Sharp card there too. Pack number 3 here out of box number 3. Austin Wells. Nice Austin Wells rookie there, refractors. There's an Orange Pulsar, Joe Girardi. Orange Pulsar there. That is 167 out of 399 there. Pink Ice Segisi there for the Cardinals. And a Pink Ice Dalton Rushing as well. Nice Orange Pulsar there on the Joe Girardi. Very nice hit there. Sharp card. Them Orange Pulsars are really sharp looking. Pack number 4 here. Kyle Harrison rookie there for the Giants. Got a hype Jet Williams hype there. Nice Jet Williams hype. Kendall George. Refractor there. Pink ice. Ryan Lasco for the A's. And a Mitch Jeb pink ice there for the Pirates as well. Pack number 5. Emerson Hancock rookie there for the Mariners. Top tier Ricky Tiedemann. Blue Jays there. We got a green. Ian Kinsler. Green Prizm there for the Rangers. Pink Ice. Bernie Williams for the Yanks. Nice Bernie, Pink Ice. Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Pink Ice as well. We got a Uribe rookie there for the Brewers. Also, pack number 6. Last pack here out of box number 3. Homer Bush Jr. there. Refractor. Orange Pulsar. Francisco Alvarez. 94 out of 399 there. Sharp card there. Pink Ice, Dustin Harris for the Rangers. Oh, both back-to-back Pink Ice Rangers there in the Bruce Bochy, too. And we got our auto. Sensational. Signatures. Kyle Harrison. Rookie. The Giants. Very nice, Kyle Harrison. Sensational signatures. Rookie auto for the Giants. Very nice. Sharp card there. Very nice Kyle Harrison there. Another nice orange pulsar there, too, on the Francisco Alvarez for the Mets. And box number 4 coming at you. Plastic coming off. Some quick housekeeping notes. All cards do ship. All cards do ship here at Cardboard Hobby. We do have more Prizm baseball breaks coming up as well. Don't miss out on those. Empty box. And also cardboardhobby.com. We have breaks filling on our website, and we do keep our break schedule always up to date there as well. Pack number 1, box number 4. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Roderick Arraez there on your refractor. We got an Ivan Rodriguez green Prizm there for the Rangers. Pink Ice, Ian Kinsler also for the Rangers. Nick Lofton, Pink Ice rookie for the Royals. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. There's a Colt Keith, rookie for the Tigers. Top tier, Evan. There's a nice Evan Carter. Nice Evan Carter, top tier, rookie for the Rangers there. Very nice Evan Carter. Very nice. Cam Collier there, the Reds there. Refractor, we got a nice Ken Griffey Jr. Pink Ice there for the Mariners. Nice Griffey Jr. Jake Bloss, Pink Ice rookie for the Astros as well. And a Nolan Chenille, rookie for your Angels. Nice Evan Carter in there, too. Couple nice Pink Ices there. Eric Davis there for the Reds. Refractor. Orange Pulsar, Mike Lau for the Red Sox. That is 326 out of 399 there. Pink Ice, Tony Oliva there for your Twins. And a Pink Ice Waldrep for the Braves. Nice orange Pulsar there. Mike Lau. Pack number 4. Fireworks. Amador Fireworks rookie there for the Rockies. Kyle Teal there, Red Sox refractor. We got a Pink Ice Cepeda for the Giants. And an Alonzo Treadwell for the Astros. Pink Ice there as well. 2 packs left. 2 packs left. Pack number 5. And we have a Prismatic. Xavier Isaac. Prismatic there. Green. Owen Casey there. Green. Prizm there. Pink Ice. Ted Simmons for the Cardinals. And a Ty Pete there. Pink Ice as well for the Mariners. Mason Wynn, rookie for your Cardinals there also. All right, last pack. Here we go. Yuri Perez, refractor there for the Marlins. Orange Pulsar, Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Numbered 103 out of 399. Pink Ice, Giovanni Rodriguez, and a Pink Ice, Austin Wells, rookie there as well. And we have our auto, sensational. Signatures, River Ryan, Nice River Ryan there. Sensational signatures. Very nice auto there. And another nice Evan Carter there. Rookie for the Rangers as well. Nice River Ryan. Sensational signatures auto. We're going to run back through our hits here, guys. Hit recap coming at you. Hit recap here. We had the Tony Gwynn orange pulsar there for the Padres. Nice Tony Gwynn. 103 out of 399. Very nice there for the Padres. River Ryan, sensational signatures auto. Very nice hit there. Orange pulsar, Mike Lau there for the Red Sox. That's 326 out of 399. Sharp hit there for the Red Sox. Francisco Alvarez for the Mets. Orange pulsar. That's 94 out of 399. Sensational signatures, Kyle Harrison, rookie auto for the Giants. Another sharp card there. Very nice there for the Giants. Orange pulsar, Joe Girardi for the Yanks there. That is 167 out of 399. How about a fireworks? Orange pulsar on the Acuna there. Sharp card there too. 130 out of 399 there. Very sharp card there. Auto, Carson Williams, sensational signatures for the Rays. How about 19 out of 25? Green pulsar. Very nice hit at 25 for the Rays. Kemp Alderman for the Marlins. Orange pulsar there. That's 367 out of 399. Your Phillies. Richie Ashburn. Orange pulsar. 25 out of 399. Hype. Orange pulsar. Drew Jones. Really nice card there for the Diamondbacks. And that is 214 out of 399 there. And our first auto was Jared Schuster. Sensational signatures auto as well. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Once again, cardboardhobby.com. We do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Dugan 1640 on eBay as well. We do have a fantastic break schedule all weekend long. Don't miss out on those. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. We still have another break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is our 2024 Panini Prizm Football Mega 5-box 1/4 case eBay break. Thank you so much again for all your support. Really do appreciate it, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there.